I'm putting in the hard work. And hard workers deserve all their props and perks. I'm putting in the hard work. In council, a minister of
Welcome to another video. I just received this box from Amazon, and inside of it is a weed whacker slash weed eater. Don't know what you guys want to call it, but I've checked online, and Home Depot, Lowe's, and all the other ones, I didn't see this weed whacker and the power that it puts out. This is a 36cc weed whacker, and it has three different blades. Now, for the price that I seen it for, I had to jump on it. So I'm gonna open this box and put it together for you guys. So stay tuned. Now, this is a big box, and in this big old box, just this one little box, and that's what everything is in. Another box. That's the weed whacker itself, with all the parts. Now, I'm going to put this thing together and show you guys. Stay tuned.